Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to make super easy infographics. When you Google infographic maker, a ton of them come up. And I've tried a few of these and I like them, but for today's presentation I'm going to be focusing on Piktochart. So when you go to Piktochart, it's going to look like this, and you are going to need to sign up for an account, and accounts are free. So once you've started and created an account, it's going to look like this. So you're going to have the options of doing an infographic, a report, a banner, a presentation, okay? But today I'm just going to stick with the. As you scroll down, you'll see there's going to be some featured templates, and you'll notice that some of the templates say Pro. If it says Pro, that means you're going to have to pay for it. So as a teacher, naturally, I'm going to stick to the free ones. So as you go through the template options, you decide one that looks good to you, and you can always preview it. So it's going to come up with a preview. You can look at it, see if it works for you. If you decide that's the one, you're going to hit the button that says Create. So here's what it looks like. For today's purposes though, I'm going to make life easier and I'm going to open up one that I have already started. So I'm going to look for my saved ones and I am going to open it up. Okay, so this is one that I have already started. You will notice to the left there's going to be a toolbar with different functions for you to use, such as different graphics, uploading your own image, changing the background, text, styles, and other tools. Okay? So once you have started your actual infographic, you'll notice that each of these is divided into blocks. And within the block, you just click it, and the functions actually tell you what you need to do in order to edit it. So to give our infographic a title, we're going to double click, and we're going to title this Cold War. Add another description, United States versus Soviet Union. Okay, now you'll notice that another toolbar comes up at the top, and this gives you the ability to change your fonts, change your font size. So let's say I want to make my font size a little bit bigger. We can do that. And if we wanted to change the color, we can do that as well. Okay. Subheader 1947 to 1991. Okay, now the cool thing about Piktochart is they have built-in tools for you to use. So for example, this map. By double-clicking on the map, you'll see that it comes up with a map of the United States that you can actually edit based on your needs. They also have a ton of other maps if you wanted to use those as well. But for today, I am actually going to use a map that I have already created. So I'm just going to simply hit delete and say goodbye to that map. Instead, I'm going to go to Uploads, and I'm going to upload a map that I already have. So here we go. And you can edit the size and shape to make it fit as well. So this would be the United States. And this would be the USSR. Now again, you can change these colors. So I am actually going to change them to match the map. There we go. A really cool feature about Piktochart is its ability to add interactive materials to it. For example, going down to tools, you can add charts, maps, and videos. So today we're going to add a video. So what I've done is I found this YouTube link that I want to insert. So I've copied the link and I simply click video and I paste it and then I hit insert. So as soon as you have it inserted, you're going to see that you're going to be able to adjust the video to match the block that you want to place it in. So this one fits nice and neat right here. So YouTube by the numbers. Here we go. Okay, so as you can see that it comes with images that are already pre-selected, and obviously some of these images do not match your content. For example, a flowering plant really has nothing to do with the Cold War. So to simply get rid of them, you're going to click on them and hit delete. But I do want another image to take that place. So what I'm going to do is, using the graphics, I'm going to search for bomb. Okay, I think I like that one. And as you notice, it is black. Well, obviously you can't see black on black, so you can recolor those images. Now white shows up perfectly, and here we go. Nuclear warheads. So as you can go through, you can change any of these images that you want, and you can get rid of them completely if that's what you desire. In this section, I want to add something a little bit different, and one of those is one of my images. So I want to add a political cartoon as well as some propaganda. Again, resizing it to fit, and let's add that political cartoon in this block. Here we go. And there you go. So the great thing about Piktochart is it also comes preloaded for references. So this is a great reminder for students that they need to cite their work and where they got their images, as well as their textual information. So make sure that you point this out to students. To add text, you go to the text and you can hit body text, and from there they can upload their bibliography and so forth. So once you have your infographic completed and you are satisfied with it, you can click Save. Now the great thing about Piktochart is it automatically saves your work as you go along, so you don't have to worry about losing any of your work if something happens. Once it is saved, you can hit Publish. So this is going to provide you with a link and an embed code for your completed product to share with students, teachers, and your colleagues. You can even take it a step further and have students upload theirs to Edmodo and comment on each other's infographic. So Piktochart has a lot more to offer than the features that I've shown, and I recommend that you take some time, play around with it, see what you can do, and create your own infographic. Good luck!